Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Frequently, many people in the forum toggle that after update the iOS, Safari freezes on iPhone and iPad when creating a new account password. Same thing happen when try to reset password. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this issue. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Turn off autofill password and disable use contact info. For that, first we have to go to settings, scroll down, find and tap on passwords. Touch ID required and turn off autofill password. After that, go back to settings, scroll down, find and tap on Safari and tap autofill and turn off use contact info. The second thing that we have to do, update your iPhone. For that, go to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap general and tap software update and update your iPhone if update is available. Here we have to check one thing more, tap on automatic update and make sure that download iOS updates are enabled. The third thing that we have to do, use private browser in Safari. For that, open Safari app. Now tap on two boxes on right corner and tap private. In the end, I will give you a suggestion. Make sure that two-factor authentication is on. To check that, go to settings, tap on your profile name and tap password and security. Under password and security, make sure that two-factor authentication is on. If it's turned off, turn it on. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.